At today's event at Thomas Jefferson Library, Fairfax County residents can come in and get free personalized tax assistance with AARP at our location. They come in and are served on a first come, first served basis, and they can sit down with an IRS certified tax preparation helper and ask questions, get their taxes filed electronically. Both federal and state returns are filed. This is a free service that is offered by our partners, AARP and VITA. We have 6 locations at the Fairfax County Public Library where you can go to get your tax help. We have the Thomas Jefferson Library where we are today. We have Sherwood, Centerville, Chantilly Regional Libraries, and Richard Byrd and Kingstown Community Libraries all offer tax assistance. It's important for Fairfax County residents to be able to come to a location and get free tax assistance if they are unable to pay for a tax preparation service, or if they are perhaps limited English speaking taxpayers. This is a way for them to have an opportunity to submit their tax forms and get that help that they may not be able to get otherwise. There is no minimum requirement, but AARP gives preference to those 50 or older. Generally, low or moderate income is the bracket that they are aiming to provide services for. For VITA, they offer tax assistance to people who have made $56,000 or less that year. We always have a very good turnout for tax assistance. We get calls way in advance, people coming in asking when it's going to be held and asking where other locations might be, where they can refer their friends and family. It's something that everybody has a lot of need to file their taxes successfully.